School OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School kala Pynlong ya ka program Fit India minda ka sengi ka kharatri unopra hapo ko auditorium hall jong kani ka school ka badan hapo mo la kuntun masar ha kani ka sengi lawan banya don ringkat do ba Eugene Son Lingdo MLA ka Moplang constituency kumukongsan Upranjit Bhagavati Deputy Director Sai RC Gauti Madan Kumar Senior Football Coach Sai Kong ASMLA Principal OM Roy ba don bok lingdo karate coach Sai likini shooting football coach Sai bat ikong di khat kongor ha kan gesngi kane ka school kala rakhi ru ya ka Fit India School Week ka basibanai thek ka bala rakhi hakalang sudong jongkari India ka plus dang nadu khatsan tarik unai weng bat ka ba unsapan kut pat khatsan tarik unopra.
If you want your kids to have a disciplined life, let them do what they want. Because when you do what you want, everything automatically fits in together and all will align. Your discipline, your dedication, your passion, your understanding, your reasoning, everything will come to place. But the moment you do something that you don't like, or you're pressured to do, or you're being forced to do, then you're already on a road that is only going downhill. Because then all the other activities that are not welcome come into your life. Especially now with the scenario in our state where our youths are being drifted away from the ambitions, from their future, I would say, involved in all things that kids or youths should be involved. So I urge each and every one of you, even if you have not played sport before or if you like dancing, to please put some time, put some effort, maybe an hour a day, spend some time running, jogging, basketball, football, dancing, or for example you want to do your mixed martial arts sports. It's just a way for you to get fit, and the byproducts of getting fit are tremendous.